Okay, this is what I was left with. Fuck. But I'm working on it. Some assembly required. But I got that one done. I don't know if you could see that. Oops. Now you can see that. Then I'm working on that one. And then I gotta work on whatever goes in that hole. The soap thingy. And it goes over there and has to get the plumbing put on. And that's what I'm working on. Just a quick note to show you that these instructions have no words. It's just all pictures. I think these instructions were made for men. Cracks me up. Yeah. Well, we're getting further. See? Getting further on it. Now we just have to fill up that hole, that hole. So that's all fine and good. Got that done, but look at this. They took the old sink and they took these little things with them. So now I gotta go to Home Depot and get those things. But first I'm gonna put the plumbing on to make sure I have everything I need for that. But what the fuck?